Hello everyone, take a banana like this and cut it from the top. Now cut it from the between as well. Give it a shape as shown in the video. Remove its peel and cut it like this. And arrange it as shown in the video and cut it from the between again. Now cut it the pieces into thin slice like this and fix the eyes on it. Now put it over the banana as shown in the video. Now cut its mouth and the octopus is ready. Fold its sides like this and then arrange it on the plate. Now take the banana's pulp and then cut it into pieces like this and arrange it on the plate and it's ready. Next we'll be making this fly, or you can say a insect. So cut the cucumber into thin slices like this. Fix its eyes by putting it in the between. Now cut it in the long way like this. Now arrange it on the top of it. Now make the holes on the sides to make its eyes like this. Make its body like this. Now we will make its wings by cutting it into thin slices. Cut it very thin like this and make the frills carefully. Spread it and then fix it on the sides and then make its legs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. You can decorate it further. Now we will make a snake using a cucumber. So cut it like this and then make the shapes on the body. Now fix it by rolling it like this. Make its mouth. Now make its eyes. Put the tomatoes in the between and make a flower out of it and it's ready. Next we'll be making a rat using a potato. So cut it like this and make the holes. Now make these slices on the top of it and make the design. Now make its mouth. Now using the cucumber we will make its ears and the tail. Fix it on the back. Make its eyes like this. Make its tail using the slice of the cucumber. Cut it in the long way and fold it like this. And it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a crocodile using a cucumber. So cut it like this and make its teeth using these sticks. Now cut the body to make it like this. Make its tail by cutting it from the sides. Give it a design carefully and fix them together. Now make its eyes. Now cut the cucumber to make its legs. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.